what's the part that was more heartbreaking for you when you
The
read?
killing of Abhimanyu, which was the most unrighteous killing in the entire history of Mahabharata.
Yeah.
Yes. So Abhimanyu is Arjun's son
Yeah.
by Subhadra,
Mhm.
also known as Krishna's younger sister.
Mhm.
And so Abhimanyu got married at 15, 16. His wife Uttara was 14, 15 at the time. And just 6 months or half a year after their marriage, the war started. War, I don't remember whether it was the 10th or the 11th day, but it was definitely after Bhishma died. It was 14th or 13th, I think.
Mm.
But, okay, on the day, now Dronacharya, who's the commander-in-chief of the army, is incited by Duryodhan that by hook or by crook, we have to capture Yudhishthir.
Okay.
And so they had an idea. Since Arjun was protecting Yudhishthir in the war,
Yeah.
they had to get rid of Arjun so that they could capture Yudhishthir easily. They decided to make a Chakravyuha or a wheel formation in which only Arjun and his son Abhimanyu can enter, but Abhimanyu doesn't know how to exit it. He can only enter. Okay, and there's a misconception that he heard how to enter it in the womb, but no, that's wrong. He actually was taught by Arjun himself. Then, so Arjun was fighting with the some Saptakas at the time. I think that's it, but Arjun was somewhere else fighting. So Yudhishthir asked Abhimanyu to come with them, promising him that they will enter after him to protect. So there were 4 Pandavas, Abhimanyu at the front, them at the rear.
Mm.
And they entered. But as soon as Abhimanyu entered, he wasn't at the rear, he was at the front. So they were attacked, the rest of them. Yudhishthir, Bhim, Nakul and Sahdev
Mhm.
were attacked by Jayadratha, or Duryodhan's younger sister's husband. They were attacked so badly that they couldn't even move. So they couldn't enter after, क्या बोलते हैं? Arjun, Abhimanyu.
Mm.
So now Abhimanyu is all alone in the Chakravyuh. So he's fighting, and he's fighting so ferociously that even Dronacharya is frightened कि हम लोग कैसे हराएंगे. And it is said that Abhimanyu to a level is even greater than his father. So they couldn't kill him at all. What they did is the worst thing that happened in the entire history of Mahabharata.
What is it?
They attacked him all together.
Yeah.
Like there was a rule in the Yuddha that you can only attack one on one.
Yeah.
You can't group attack.
Yeah.
So he was ambushed, Abhimanyu. And mind you, he's only 16.
Yeah.
He's not even older than 18. He hasn't even reached puberty yet.
Yeah.
So they killed his horses, they killed his driver, they broke his weapons, smashed down his chariot, and then the brave lad just picked up a wheel and started like whirling it around, and then he was murdered
Mm.
by Dushasan's son. And you know what's the worst part?
Mm.
This led to his wife being the most unfortunate character in the entire Mahabharata. She lost her husband even before their marriage went a full year.
Mm.
Barely 6 months had passed before he died. Now, Uttara, for this reason, is the strongest woman ever. Even stronger than Draupadi. Because Draupadi's husband was alive.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah.
Although she also lost a lot. She lost her brother, she lost her sons. But Uttara was very young.
Mm.
She was 15. Abhimanyu, even more unfortunate. He was 16 when he died. Like, if the If somebody asks me what's your least favorite killing in entire Mahabharat,
Which one?
it's Abhimanyu.
Why is it? Why it makes you? I can see that it gives you a lot of pain. Why?
Because he was so young.
Yeah.
He barely had. Imagine that you're 8.
Yeah.
And just 8 years later you die.
Yeah.
That's not good.
Yeah.
That's not good. It's heartbreaking.
Yeah.
And I feel every time I read that chapter, like I have read a lot of Mahabharats by now. Every time I read that point, I just feel so bad for Uttara.
How
And-
do you feel? How do you really feel inside?
Not just for Uttara, for Parikshit.
Oh, also.
Parikshit is Uttara's son,
Mm-hmm.
Abhimanyu's son, also Arjun's grandson. So Parikshit, Uttara was pregnant when Abhimanyu died.
Oh.
So Parikshit didn't even get to see his father.
Wow.
Imagine that. Ashwatthama, he plotted to kill. See, the entire second generation of the Pandavas was wiped out completely. Upapandavas were killed. Abhimanyu was killed. Ghatotkacha was killed. Only 2 or 3 remained, and they already had their separate kingdoms, so they couldn't reign on this one. So the war is over. Duryodhana is dying. Not dead, die. So Ashwatthama is so enraged by this, so outraged by this, that he decides to kill the Panchalas, who are Draupadi's like family.
Mm-hmm.
Drishtadyumna was killed by strangling him.
Ah.
Shikhandi in war, Upapandavas in war. Many of the Panchala soldiers were just kicked to death.